Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. Today for writing, everybody, we are going to be learning to write the orientation and the beginning of our literary retell, okay? Now, remember, a literary retell is when we read or listen to or watch a story and then we retell that story in our own words, okay? Now, we are, of course, retelling the story of the gingerbread man. So today we are actually starting our literary retell, and we're going to use our plan to help us with that, okay? Now, when we write a literary retell, we start with the orientation. In the orientation, we introduce the setting, where and when the story was set, and we introduce the characters. So we give information about who the characters are, okay? So I've actually already started writing the orientation. Okay, I've already written an orientation for a literary retell for the gingerbread man. Okay, and I've done that so I can give you some ideas, and then you can go off and write your own literary retell in your own words. All right, so let's have a look at what I've come up with. And of course, before I started writing, I looked back at my plan to make sure I was using the information I had here. Okay, we didn't just do this for fun. This is going to help you. All right. Now, in my orientation, I should have information about the setting and the characters. Let's see if I've included those. Okay, of course, I've included a title at the top, The Gingerbread Man. In the story, the characters are the naughty gingerbread man, the old lady, the fox, the cow, the pig, and the chicken. So I've included information about who the characters are. The story is set at the old couple's small shack next to the forest and in the river. So I've included information about the setting and the characters. I have finished my orientation. Now I've even included adjectives such as naughty. I included the word naughty to describe the gingerbread man. I described the lady as old, and I described the shack as small. Remember yesterday I said to you, in your plan, make it short, make it easy to read, and don't use much information. Just include the most important information, okay? Well, that's because that was a plan. Now that I'm writing my literary retell, this is when we now need to use more information. We now want to use adjectives and wow words, okay? Words that make your writing more interesting. All right, so I've done my orientation, and now it's time to move on to the beginning. Okay. Now, I'm not going to write the beginning, okay? I want you to do this on your own. But I would like for you to start your sentence with, in the beginning of the story. Okay? Fantastic. It's now your turn. Remember, if you need to re-watch The Gingerbread Man, you can do that. And please make sure you have your plan near you to help you. Okay? You're going to write the orientation and the beginning of your literary retell. All right, rule a margin, write the date, and don't forget your title, The Gingerbread Man, at the top of your page. I'm looking forward to seeing your 5-star work. Awesome. Bye, boys and girls. Have fun.